এই যাও
My lord, my lord.
Item 6 for but I for the alleged contempt amulet. Dated 7th May 2020, 500 has been complied with. But railway authorities has handed over the entire plot of land and the premises to the petitioners. That was the directions to hand over. We handed over on 19 November 2025. But they have received it with the fullest satisfactions. May I submit our affidavit? Compliance.
Please give. You couldn't manage to keep it.
No, my lord, there is no need of it because for public purpose nowadays all travelers are buying train tickets
Online.
online.
No use keeping.
No
it.
use of keeping this for reservation purpose. No need of it. Every day we open at 8 a.m. to block the tickets. It is our now. It has become usual habits.
Has the order been complied?
My lord.
So contempt disposed?
Lordship, right, grateful.
Please come.
We tender unconditional apology if anything, my lord, we have done, my lord,
The DA.
unlawfully, my lord, not anything as well. Kindly consider.
It's,
We may be excused.
affidavit of compliance filed on behalf of the respondent / alleged contemptor number 2. Respondent alleged contemptor number 2. In court today is taken on record. Stop. Learned advocate representing the petitioner and the alleged contemptor submits that the order of the court has been complied with. Stop. Next. In view of the above, there is no requirement of proceeding with the contempt application any further. Stop. The contempt stands disposed of.
Grateful.
Item number 7.
But 7 I am for the school authority. Before placing the facts, I tell your lordship, the petitioner is an assistant teacher of a delegating school. I am for the school authority. His approval has been rejected by the DI of school on the ground that the pupil teacher ratio, the student existing staff, beyond the student teacher strength. On that ground, that was passed in 2016. That has not been challenged before your lordship. Now I tell you, now the school, terminated him because now the year to year, deteriorate the students. Now the excess teachers are functioning in that school. School is double to pay the salary. Kindly allow me to file affidavit in opposition.
Let him place. Where is the state? Termination by the state.
No.
The DI.
By the school.
By the school.
By this.
It's a DA school.
All right. DA school. Right.
Whether this straightway termination can be done to that effect. I am placing on order of Justice Shogoto Bhattacharjee, which has been tested before the division bench, and the division bench has affirmed the order.
Show the order of termination, please.
Yes. Kindly turns to.
This is a writ petition of 2021.
Yes.
And from 21 to 25, what is the position? Are you there?
No.
The petition was pending.
Petition was pending and the petitioner was not serving the school.
No.
There was no occasion because you have been terminated.
Absolutely.
In that case, there is no hurry. Let him file the opposition.
It is there. They can file.
Then what is the use?
Only thing. Kindly see Justice Shogoto Bhattacharjee's order once.
Why?
The person is without employment for 5 years.
Yes.
We have tried a level based to get this matter listed.
Yes.
That is why I wanted to place item number 10, who is of the having the same school, having the same status, who has been terminated, and here they have filed the opposition. So if your lordship kindly takes up item number 10, every
you are also there.
Yes, item number 10. He has used their affidavit.
So,
it is there. It is there with me.
You are not aware?
Mr. Shoktibodo Jana has filed the affidavit.
So it must be there in your file.
No, my lord, the item number 10, I have no copy, my lord. The petition only, opposition only. আমাকে একটু দিয়ে
দিলে
দিচ্ছি
কি হলো?
xerox। হ্যাঁ, my lord, the tag of all three matters, my lord, the
He means
7, 8 and 10.
7, 8 and 10. One school,
And
3
it-
unapproved teachers, one stroke, but their services have been
Everybody.
terminated. And in this item number 10, they have used their affidavit. So, my lord,
he is not ready with the affidavit today. In that case, come back when you want to come back.
আমাকে দিয়ে xerox।
And it is better that he things are in order so that the opposition also comes in the meantime.
Yes, yes.
We can take up all the three matters together.
absolutely.
Please stop. The opposition is not in the file either. So
Well,
but it has not been
I will
filed.
check up, my lord, the
Please check. Item number 7, take down an order.
7, 8 and 10.
The petitioner is an unapproved teacher of a DA getting school. Stop. His service has been terminated by the school and the same is under challenge in the instant writ petition. Stop. According to the petitioner, paragraph, according to the petitioner, the service of the petitioner could not have been terminated by the stroke of a pen. Stop. No opportunity of hearing was granted to the petitioner. Stop. There has been violation of the principle of natural justice. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the school seeks time to file opposition in the matter. Stop. Let affidavit in opposition be prepared and circulated by 12th December.
তাড়াতাড়ি
But I will not file any, I will not use any reply.
দেখি।
Take your time. Do not be so
But they are
adventurous.
not in Kolkata at present.
They are
On to their native place at Bihar.
all right. So they have lost their interest in the job. They are very much settled over there. Why do you want to pursue with the writ petition? No, that will not do. Acha, release the matter for hearing on 7th January 2026.
Maybe-
Stop. In the meantime, it will be open for the petitioner to file reply. Stop. Same order will go down in 8. All right.
7, 8, yes,
7,
7,
8,
8
same.
7, 8.
and 10.
10, I'm coming.
Acha.
Let 9 be called.
Item number 9.
My lord, 9, I am for the
I'm
petitioner.
opposing it.
Mr. Boyd, my lord, the very known very well, my lord, these writ petitions, my lord, relates to withdrawal of the grant from the government by the school authority. School is a minority delegating school. My lord, this is 2013 writ petition. In between, my lord, out of 4 writ petition, 3 retired, and my lord, probably my lord, the petitioner has been terminated. Now the writ petition was filed, appeal, Supreme Court, my lord, now the SLP probably stay was, school is enjoying stay of operation of the order. Let it be, sometimes, my lord,
Let it go out of the list for the time being.
that will be better.
Please come.
কি তাই তো?
Um, learned advocate appearing for the petitioners. Praise for delisting the matter for the time being. As one of the issues in relation to the petitioners is pending consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court and an order of stay has been passed.
Stay দিয়েছে তো?
Stop. In view of the above, let the matter be delisted for the time being. Stop. Liberty to mention. Does anything survive? I do not know.
The issue is termination, nothing to do with.
Right. What to do over
These
here?
terminations is pending sub judice before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Something
My lord,
which is tertiary, secondary. which is-
Absolutely.
Advance of the
Absolutely.
petitioners, my lord, he is an approved teacher. After retirement, she will not get any pension benefit because of withdrawal of DA.
Let's get it heard.
Because what has the termination got to do with this money?
If the terminations will not survive, then writ petitions will become
Go.
fructuous. Your lordship, let it be remain pending, my lord, after the Supreme Court decision.
Anyway,
Item number 10.
10 record and order, please.
10, আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা।
The affidavit in opposition which has been served upon the learned advocate for the petitioner is not on record. Stop. Next. Learned advocate representing the school is directed to file the affidavit in opposition by 12th of December. Release the matter on 7th January. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to file exception to the same. Put in your appearance.
My lord, matter has come at my instance before for correction. My lord, I have deposited by way of two challans. One is 2,90,101 that has not been incorporated, my lord. Page 15 and 16, my lord.
Is anybody there? Original side ভদ্রলোক কোথায় গেল? Please take down an order. 81. The matter has appeared in the list for correction of the order dated 18th November 2024. Stop. Appeared in the list for correction of the order dated 18th November 2025. Stop. Acha. The 2025 at the instance of the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Stop. The date of the order has been wrongly recorded. Stop. The same should read as 18th November 2025. Stop. Paragraph. In paragraph 1, the following line will be inserted. Stop. The petitioner also refunded a sum of rupees 2,90,101 vide treasury challan on 14th March 2024. This will be sufficient.
My lord. And deeply obliged, my lord.
Next.
Ma'am, for the petitioner,
Hmm.
there are two key corrections. First correction will item number, serial number is 41. It will be 438 of monthly list.
All right.
Second, learned advocate on records name was not appearing. And third one, paragraph 2.
1 minute.
Alright.
It has come for correction. Serial number of the case should be 431.
38.
438. 438
438.
of the monthly list. ঠিক আছে. And the name of the advocate on record of the petitioner,
Shovik Das.
Shovik Dash, was inadvertently not recorded. Let it be recorded that Mr. Shobhik Dash also represented the petitioner on 19th November 2025 when the matter was taken up for consideration by the court. Next,
And paragraph 2, just little change will be there. Kindly see. The husband of the petitioner was serving at group D staff of the school who retired on service on attaining the age of superintendent. This should be, but he was in service expired on that date. I have corrected.
no,
Kindly
no, it's all right. No.
at the age of 59.
Retired from service, Avana, who died in harness.
Hmm.
Who died in harness on 15th May 1985. Retired from service থেকে paragraph 2, retired from service থেকে superannuation shall be treated as deleted.
At the age of 59,
Superannuation gets deleted. ঠিক আছে? Age is not important.
alright, yes, he was in service. Yes,
Yes.
much obliged.
3. What is the correction?
And for respondent board, your lordship.
Is any দিয়েছে কি? এই to be mentioned, his টা har হবে paragraph number 3 তে. Please come.
Lordship, even my name has not been recorded, my lord. That day I appeared in the matter.
On behalf of
To service commission.
ওনার নামটা রেকর্ড করে নিন. এসএসসির জন্য অ্যাপিয়ার করেছে. Let the name of Ms. Shupriya Dubey be recorded.
Also not appeared.
You didn't mention? Or SSC or Koili Bhattacharya for the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. দুটো নাম ঢুকছে. At paragraph number 3, second line, her shall be replaced by his. ঠিক আছে, তিনটে correction. Yes, next.
Paragraph 8 also, my lord. And for the petitioner. 3(8). It has mentioned as her.
Paragraph number 8. Third line, second word. Her shall be read as his. Yes, next.
Lord, I am for the petitioner. There are two corrections. First is, my lord, paragraph 6 of the order, my lords. My lord, I have corrected the memo number dated, my lord.
Memo number, where is the memo number?
My lord, page, my lord, 2988 dated. my
Where
lord,
is it? Where is it?
Page 30.
Page 33.
Session was made. 33. Top, my lord, left side, 2988 G dated 21st August 2020.
2988. Where is this 129 memo? Is it there? It must be there somewhere, otherwise how did it come?
No, my lord, I think, my lord, the authorities have continued 3% additional increment of the pay in terms of the pay fixation
এটা কোথায়
made by
পেয়েছিলেন?
memo number such and such.
129 এত? অন্য কিছু থেকে? ঠিক আছে, তাহলে page 33. Memo number and date to be corrected.
As well as, my lord, last paid on. My lord, last paid on. My lord has directed that terminal use of the petitioner shall be made ready relying on the aforesaid fixation and as well as the last paid on. My lord have dictated that order, my lord, that has been inadvertently recorded. As
On
well as
the
last paid.
aforesaid, the page 33 must be your last page, Ron.
No, this is a 2013. My lord, thereafter, my lord, I have retired, I am going to retire on this month, 30th November.
Acha. Aforesaid fixation, relying on the aforesaid fixation and the last paid drawn
As
will
on.
be inserted in paragraph number 6.
And another, my lord, I have mentioned before your lordship, I have mentioned, kindly recollect, page 61 directed me to deposit the what doll amount that should be set aside, my lord, page 61. My lord, I have not mentioned, my lord has with your signature, I will get paid 61. Last two line, paid to be refixed and resulting what done to be refunded. That should be set aside, my lord. This order, my lord, was passed by the 20th August 2025. Accordingly to set aside.
আচ্ছা, আরেকটা লাইন add up করুন. The direction to refund the overdrawn amount Stands set aside.
Dated 20th August 2025, my lord. Right side
আচ্ছা,
bottom.
dated 20th August, 20 August 2025 stands set aside.
Grateful.
ঠিক আছে? Yes, next.
Please.
Mala. Second paragraph, Mala. Instead of staff, it will be group D staff.
Doesn't matter. Next. 6.
I'm for the petition. My lord, kindly take the paragraph number 3. The lordship has directed the instant petition stands disposed of by directing the head of the institution. The writ petitioner himself is the head of the institution. So in that case, the president of the managing committee would be the appropriate authority.
Please come. The matter has appeared in the list for correction. সবগুলোতেই লিখবেন কিন্তু। ঠিক আছে? In the second and third line of paragraph 3, the words head of the institution shall be read as the president of the managing committee.
Read.
Yes, next.
And the rest of the portion
All same.
all same.
7, the only the first paragraph, subsequent action to be taken. You will see next page, paragraph 4. Instead of DI, that would be DPPG. You also kindly remember a pencil paper was sent by the DI to the DPPG. You also kindly otherwise the DPPG will not take any action.
4. Paragraph 4. In the first and second line of paragraph 4, the words district inspector of schools bracket open secondary education bracket close Dakshin Dinajpur shall be replaced by the words DPPG. D থেকে নিয়ে নেবেন, D থেকে দিনাজপুর চলে যাবে, DPPG আসবে. Yes, next.
My lord, I am for the petitioner. I'm led by Advocate Shodipa Banerjee. Ma'am, I personally doesn't mention this matter, but in the online order copy, I saw that the order dated, there will be a correction, my lord. In order copy, it is 19/11/2024. It will be 19/11/2025.
Yes, corrected. Next. Here.
Grateful, my lord.
Lordship, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner.
Who is for the
Lordship,
petitioner?
I am for the petitioner.
What is the matter?
Lordship, in the matter itself, I'll be praying for submitting a supplementary affidavit because eventually certain things has come. I'd like to place them before your lordship. But the main important part of the case is that I've challenged the tainted list earlier published by the authority concerned.
Authority concern means the list of the
SSC.
tainted candidates was forwarded by the CBI to the SSC and that has been published.
No.
No.
No, lordship.
What is it?
There is something more.
What is it?
The thing is, your lordship can see they're suppressing 28 candidates. They have kept me tainted instead of the genuine tainted candidates. That is my case.
Yes. Have you implemented the
Yes, I have.
CBI as party over here?
Yes. No,
Okay.
lordship, not. Didn't make CBI as a party to this case. Lordship, my clearance has been given by CBI itself.
Your clearance. Let the CBI come and say that you.
As your lordship made him fit and proper, I'll add them as party to the case.
Why will your writ petition not be dismissed for non-joinder of necessary parties if you challenge the list of these?
Lordship, maybe
CBI?
lordship may give me one day to add them as a party. I'll come before your ladyship tomorrow.
That you intend to file?
Yes, lordship.
What is it?
Lordship, the thing is, in the meantime, I have applied for other subject. And as I am in tented list, they have rejected me.
Obviously, that is the Supreme
Yes,
Court's direction.
yes, Lordship. I can understand. But
Then?
I have to submit that before your Lordship.
1 minute, I cannot understand what he is saying. So I need to understand first. You want a writ in the nature of mandamus? Submit a report. Directing the respondent to submit a report and how to adopt necessary steps so that the petitioner can be allowed to sit for a fair selection process. I do not follow your prayer even. What exactly are you wanting?
Lordship, actually the examination has already been done.
What has been done?
Examination has already taken place in the meantime.
But the result has also been declared.
Exactly.
Then?
But this case was filed much before that.
So it has become infructuous now.
Then
I'll dismiss it as infructuous. If there is fresh cause of action, you file fresh petition. What can be done? Please come. The instant writ petition was filed by the petitioner in April 2025, seeking permission to appear in the selection process conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission.
No.
Stop. It appears that the selection process, the admission test of the selection process was conducted way back in September 2025, and result of the examination has also been published. Stop. At this stage, there is hardly any scope to entertain the writ petition. In view of the above, the writ petition stands dismissed as being infructuous. Stop. In the event the petitioner has any further grievance and a fresh cause of action, it will be open for the petitioner to approach the competent forum in accordance with law, if so advised.
Grateful, Lordship.
Next. Then.
I am appearing on behalf of this.
Yes.
That matter, my lord, the writ is maintainable in the single bench or not, my lord, that tribunal matter.
Oh.
My lord, I am handed over, my lord, one writ petition's order, my lord.
Let me see. Then the AG was submitting.
Yes.
Where is he?
Last location. And in this matter, my lord, landed GP appeared, my lord. Now, although at that point of time, GP was, ওই যেটা হাইলি চ্যালেঞ্জ করছে কোথায় মেনটেনেবল সিঙ্গেল বেঞ্চে মেনটেনেবল হবে কি হবে না জাজমেন্ট গুলোতে আমার জাজমেন্ট গুলো দাও জাজমেন্ট গুলো দাও
But here it has not been decided.
Yes.
It is kept open.
Yes, kept open, my lord. Now, my lord, I am showing one after another, my lord. I will cite it, my lord, for judgment.
All right. Who was assisting the AG?
Yes. I informed Planet on that day. Yes.
I pass it over for the time being, intimate the AG.
But it will be continued then, my lord, not because it,
Not today.
the other matter is already free.
Then not today. What do you want?
Not today.
Not today, na kalke.
No, sorry. কালকে তো আছে
Day after tomorrow.
28 তারিখে আবার ওই ঘরে আছে তো মানে on
Next week?
next week well that's otherwise well because tomorrow
Nobody for the state in this matter?
my pass short pass
Pass over. Yes, yes, pass over.
Rotika.
Come.
Rotika.
Call the next matter, please.
Rotikant, yes.
11.
Can it takes up 12 first, then
All right, 12.
12 target. But here I have come before your lordship, challenging the action on the part of the School Service Commission, where kindly turns to I was appointed first in Malda. Thereafter, I was transferred to my second place at Thakurpukur. Then in PG scale, I joined in 2016 selection process at Sonarpur. This is the fact.
Where? In which school? In a
School. But now I lost my job. But as I am not tainted, I have been in terms of the order of the Supreme Court, I can go back to my earlier place. Now, the situation comes thereafter. If your lordship kindly turns to page 68.
Yes.
I'll start from page 68. My lord kindly turns to page 71, the list. This notice has been published by the School Service Commission on 8th of October 2025 in compliance of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, the list of candidates to be reinstated to their previous service. Well, I got it. Page 68, fourth line from top.
Yes.
The list of candidates to be reinstated to their previous service. Now, my name comes at serial number 377, page 71. Mitali Maddi. I had got it. Now, I have been transferred. Now, kindly turns to the last column. I was at Brotochari Vidyashram, Joka, Thakurpukur, District South 24 Parganas. I got it.
Previous service.
Yes, previous service. Previous to previous service. Previous service was in Sonarpur. Prior to that, I was in Joka.
All right.
Then your lordship kindly turns to page 72. The notification dated 9th of November 2025 issued by the commission. My lord will find my name at page 77.
Yes.
Here your lordship will find here. Kindly here.
Yes.
Mitali Maddi. I have been home district mentioned as South 24 Parganas. Now, your lordship, this has been issued by the Deputy Secretary Administration of the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Now, my lord kindly turns to page 79. It is dated 4th of November 2025. Issued by the commission. My lord will find my name, Mitali Maddi, and I have been transferred to Vishnupur High School. It is at Malda. My lord kindly turns to page 80. 80. Next page. Vishnupur High School, Malda. My lord got it? Chachol, Malda. Now, in the compliance report, page 81, before the Honorable Supreme Court, the SSC has placed my name, page 82. 312, serial number, Mitali Maddi, Rotochari Vidyashram, previous school, as per the initial recommendation letter. So, in terms of the first notification, I have been transferred to South 24 Parganas by the commission. Now, the board has affirmed it. Now, the commission has once again transferred me to Malda and appointment letter has been issued. I have been directed to join on by 29th. This is my case. But in terms of the order of the Supreme Court, if your lordship kindly gives me 1 second time, it turns to be 66 months. Paragraph 47 of the Honorable Supreme Court's order, your lordship has read it 1,000 times. Still, for my satisfaction, I want to place page 66. Paragraph 47. Skipping 2 lines. In such cases, although their appointments are cancelled, these candidates will have the right to apply to their previous department or autonomous bodies to continue in service with those entities. The applicant must possess one so therefore previous employment means that I was initially appointed in Malda. Thereafter, I was given to transfer at Thakurpukur. Thereafter, in PG scale, I have been transferred to Sonarpur, where I lost my service. So, if I lose my service at Sonarpur, my initial previous service is Thakurpukur. I have been forwarded. I have been sent back to Malda, which is my initial service, not my previous service. The service wherefrom I left Malda to Sonarpur, to Thakurpukur, that portion has gone now. I am an employee of South 24 Parganas DI school. I am a teacher, assistant teacher working under the DI school, South 24 Parganas. So, I have been sent back to Malda. From South 24 Parganas, my service has not been discontinued. And the board has affirmed that. May I once again place the order of the board? Page 77. This has come on 9th of November. This is the notification of the board. Hard copy of the appointment letters I have been directed to collect. Kindly have a look, page 72. In partial modification of the memo number so and so, consequent to the communication received from the West Bengal Central School Service Commission and in compliance of the order of the Supreme Court, 182 candidates have been recommended by the Commission. The following candidates, as annexed in the appendix list, are hereby requested to collect their hard copy of the appointment letters.
Just wait. Board, page 72. 9th of November 2025 is your notification directing the candidates to report and collect the documents, letter of appointment from the office. And in respect of the petitioner, it is shown as South 24 Parganas. So the petitioner will be appointed in South 24 Parganas. Right. Yes. So 9th of November, you say that the petitioner is to collect the appointment letter in respect of a school in South 24 Parganas. This is what your letter says. Page 77.
79.
And
79.
Page 82. This is the affidavit on behalf of the commission, right? Wherein, in respect of the name of the petitioner, the school which is shown, it is in South 24 Parganas. So these are settled facts. Commission, I would like to hear.
The school was not shown. It was where he or she was posted. That place has been.
South 24 Parganas. You have given the name.
Where,
Page 71, Brotochari Vidyashram.
where he was posted. That time, I have to accommodate him in a post. I have to only recommend. Kindly come to what is that page 70?
Page 82, I can see your recommendation in Brotochari
Just a minute.
Vidyashram.
Then kindly, which page? 82. This is the first. Where is the page? Top page. Where is the top page? No. This is the only 82. Is his name? That is not the whole sheet. Where is the recital? That is not there.
The
This
entire
is your affidavit. This is your affidavit.
Extract of the affidavit. Full affidavit has to be disclosed.
Certainly.
Page.
Certainly.
I will take the instruction. This is not the affidavit. He has given one. This what has happened? That in a contempt petition, one contempt petition was filed. The Supreme Court has directed us what is your position.
Then we have said these are the total, these are the persons are there, the position is there. We are making recommendation and within certain date, this appointment letter to be given. That was, if I am correctly remember, otherwise I have to read again the affidavit. That doesn't mean that what the list has been given, that who are the persons are recommended. Suppose X is being recommended, present posting is number 1 college.
Right.
Number
This
one.
is
That doesn't mean number 1. He is there in number 1 college for identifying himself, which is being in the list.
right. So you identify the petitioner and you have mentioned it, the previous school. That means Brotochari Vidyashram, where the petitioner was serving at one point of time. And the board has had directed the petitioner to collect the appointment letter for South 24 Parganas. And then again, why is the commission
Page 80, appointment.
Board. In partial, 9 November 2025, page 72 kindly come to that. In partial modification of memo so and so, also so and so, and pursuant to the very way 180 have been recommended by the West Bengal Central School. The following kind as annexed in the appendix letter are hereby requested to collect the hard copy of appointment letters from this office. From the candidate shall report in person of the below mentioned venue. Now, my lord, the board, our working system just as this is the names where the person's name has been there to collect. Not the recommendation is not there in that place. Home district is for identifying the person.
No, page 68 onwards, page 71. They have mentioned.
Can we file an affidavit?
Where will the petitioner join?
We will let him join.
Malda.
Malda.
Page 80.
But because it is on the basis of the requirement of the post. What is this entitlement? Entitlement is, can you see this? Entitlement is page 66. Kindly come to entitlement. Page 66.
Yes, 66 has been read.
In such case, although the appointment cancelled, this candidate will have the right to apply to the previous department or autonomous bodies to continue in service in those entities. So he will be, his right is to serve. His right is not to place.
But the moment I got transfer from Malda to Dakshin 24 Pargana, my previous employment is South 24 Parganas.
The court has dismissed writ petitions with the prayer that you have made. Right? I want only to see whether any appointment letter was given to you in South 24 Parganas after the Supreme Court's order.
Grateful.
Where is that?
Yes, kindly have a look to page 68 once. 8th of October 25.
68.
Yes. This has been issued by the West Bengal School Service Commission. The candidates to be reinstated to their previous service. Now,
service does not mean
may I complete first?
Place of posting. Service means the service.
Yes.
Right.
Kindly allow me for 1 minute. This is the word is previous service, page 68. Now turns to page 71.
Yes.
Where is the previous service? Kindly
Previous
turns to
service is with the school education department. It is not your place of posting.
Absolutely. Kindly allows me for 1 minute.
Yes.
Kindly turns to page 71.
Yes.
School ID, designation, so and so, everything is written middle portion. The name of the school with district where the candidates was working on 2nd of April 2025. Then my name comes at 377. I was working.
What you want to show, has any fresh appointment letter been issued to you directing you to join South 24 Parganas and then to Malda?
No.
So there is no contradiction?
No.
There is only one appointment letter?
Yes.
For Malda? Go and join over there.
I have no problem. The problem is elsewhere.
Where
the
is
problem
the problem?
is, first of all, in page 71, they are mentioning my previous appointment in South 24 Parganas.
Yes.
This is number 1. The board is issuing the board is directing me to collect the appointment letters mentioning that my home district is South 24 Parganas.
Yes.
Then page 77. Then the appointment letter issued by the School Service Commission on page 80, sending me to Malda. Malda, Malad, I have no connection because I have the employer-employee relationship has terminated the moment I have been transferred from Malda to South 24.
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not accepting your prayer. Please come. Please come.
Can I hand you?
No, nothing. The petitioner participated in the first SLST recruitment process conducted by the School Service Commission. Stop. The prior to being selected in the said selection process, comma, the petitioner was serving in a school. Stop. After the appointment of the petitioner, stood nullified by the Honorable Supreme Court. Vide judgment dated 3rd April 2025 in civil appeal arising out of SLP C number 9586 of 2024. Within bracket Boishaki Bhattacharya, within bracket Chatterjee versus State of West Bengal and others. The petitioner was directed to return to the previous position. Stop. Next paragraph. Allegation of the petitioner is that he was at one point of time serving at Brotochari Vidyasram. And as he has been directed to be repatriated, comma, he should be offered appointment letter at the same place. Stop. The West Bengal Board of Secondary Education has issued appointment letter to the petitioner in respect of a school at Malda. Paragraph. The petitioner submits that he does not have, not he, it will be she all along. She does not have any relationship with the school at Malda. Stop. Her hometown is South 24 Parganas and her previous school was Brotochari Vidyasram in the district of South 24 Parganas. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the board to issue appointment letter in favor of the petitioner in respect of the earlier school from where her service stood terminated.
But only one thing. This is your lordship's order, my lord, where your my lord has said that the authority contains that the candidates are being recommended to their earlier place of posting, and if the earlier vacancy is not available, then the candidates are recommended to be placed near to their earlier place. This is your lordship's view.
Is this the submission today also? Please show this to. That was the submission on the earlier occasion.
No, we are not saying.
No. Acha. Paragraph 47 of the aforesaid judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court lays down that, no, not lays down, directs that the candidates whose appointments are cancelled will have the right to apply to their previous departments to continue in service. Stop. The said applications shall be processed by the respective departments and the candidates be allowed to resume their positions. Stop. Yes. It appears that the Honorable Supreme Court granted liberty to the candidates. Now, it appears that কি বললাম? It appears that the Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to direct that the candidates will be allowed to resume their positions. Stop. There is no direction upon the authorities to place the repatriated candidates in the same place of posting. Stop. The paragraph it has to be appreciated that the candidates who lost their job in view of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court had vacated their earlier place of posting long back, and the employer must have filled up the vacancy by some other candidate. Stop. It may not be possible for the employer to place the repatriated candidates at the same place of posting. Stop. The Honorable Supreme Court directed the candidates to be allowed to resume their positions and not their place of posting. Stop. Next, in view of the above, the prayer of the petitioner seeking direction upon the authority to recommend and thereafter issue appointment letter in the school from where her service stood terminated cannot be accepted. Stop. The petitioner has been issued appointment letter in respect of a school in Malda. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to collect the appointment letter if she chooses. The writ petition stands dismissed. Service is taken on record. The other one?
Same, my lord.
Identical one.
And the place of posting possibly will change?
Yes, yes, yes. The place of posting, your lordship will find page 74, South 24 Pargana. Just a second.
74 is the same letter. Where is your
29, page 29. Amritanagar, yes, Amritanagar High School.
This is in Howrah.
Amritanagar High School.
No, which
Gosha-
place? Where is it mentioned? Address is not there.
Next page. Post
South 24 Parganas, and the candidate is from Howrah.
PS Sundarban Coastal.
Acha. Changes হবে. Her will be his. And the school যেখানে ওই বিদ্যা কি একটা বললাম না সেই ব্রতচারী বিদ্যাশ্রম. Your earlier school is?
My earlier school was Horipal, page 25, Hooghly. Page 25. Kinkorbati Agricultural Institution.
In a school at Hooghly. ঠিক আছে? Now he has been transferred to Canning, South 24 Parganas.
No, Canning was my first posting.
Now where are you?
Now I have been posted to page 29, page 30. Amritanagar High School, Sundarban Coastal, Canning.
Yes, so now you are Canning.
I'm in Canning.
Canning, South 24 Parganas. ঠিক আছে? চেঞ্জেস গুলো করে দিতে পারবেন? ভুল কিন্তু করবেন না, তাহলে কারেকশনের পর কারেকশন. All right, same order.
Great.
Earlier. আর এটা his or her will be
মানে dismissed or disposed of?
dismissed.
যা।
Let's see, I am for the respondent number 2.
Yes.
What happened in this matter? In the academic records of the petitioners, kindly see page 18. Also one of the documents of his academic career. Page 18, kindly see name. Moumita Sinha. As you see, got it. Father name Montu Sinha. Kindly record it. Moumita Sinha and father name Montu Sinha. Now, my lord, kindly see all the academic records. This name has been recorded. Now, I got the belated birth registration certificate in August 2024. Now, and belated has been sanctioned by the SDO. Now, kindly see page 36 and 36. 36. Kindly see the prayer for belated registration in respect of the.
Which page are you reading?
Page 36, my lord.
36. Yes.
But these must kindly see sanction order for delayed registration of the birth as per the provision of the West Bengal Registration Birth and Death Rules. This was sanctioned by the SDO due to delay. Now page 37. This is my certificate, birth registration certificate. Page 37.
Your name was initially
Moumita
Moumita
Sinha. Moumita
Sinha.
Sinha.
You want it as Moumita Singh.
Singh.
Your father name was Montu. You change it to Montulal Singh.
Montulal, originally Montu Sinha, that will be Montulal Singh.
Why?
Because birth registration certificate, kindly see the birth registration certificate, that name has been recorded in the birth registration certificate.
Which name?
This Montulal, the original, my lord, the record, kindly see certificate.
Where is the birth certificate?
Page 37. Moumita Singh.
Sir, page 18 is your West Bengal Board of Secondary Education admit card or whatever. Admit card. The name is mentioned.
Moumita
Father's
Sinha.
name is mentioned. The your date of birth is mentioned.
My lord.
You go in for a change.
That's why
in the year
that's why, madam,
2024.
that's why I have made let me make my submission. I will satisfy to lordship. But this name was recorded in my birth registration certificate, Moumita Sinha. Father's name, kindly see, Montulal Singh. Immediately after having that certificate, I made an application for correction. Kindly see the correction application, my lord, page 38. Bottom portion, can you see page 38, bottom portion? From Sinha to Singh, from Montu Sinha to Montulal Singh. Has you also got it?
Yes.
Now, on the basis of that application, in the Calcutta Gazette, my name was published. This Calcutta Gazette notification, kindly see, my lord, page 42.
Where is your original birth certificate?
I have
annexed it.
I
1980.
have annexed the Xerox copy.
Yes, where is it? Show me. Photocopy, show me. Where is your birth certificate?
I have annexed the page 37.
This is of 24. Yes. Where is your 1980 birth certificate?
No, that was not registered. That was the delay was caused in registration of the birth certificate. That's why the sanction was accorded by the SDO. That was not done. And the sanction was, that's why the sanction was accorded due to delay.
All right. I take it that your name was not registered. You took admission in a school by name A. Why did you apply for name B at the time of change? At the time of registration, why did you apply for name B?
No, when I got the residence certificate, I immediately applied for. Because my initial name is, my lord, Moumita Sinha. Now, my lord, when I got the residence certificate.
You got the registration certificate by making an application.
Yes.
In that application, you claimed you are not Sinha, you are Singh. Why? What made you think that you are Singh and not Sinha?
No, because well, when I the birth registration certificate, when I went to take the birth registration certificate, there in the birth registration certificate, it was written that Moumita Singh.
Where from it was written? Who wrote it?
But that's why I cannot tell that because when
What is your prayer?
my prayer that my name has been corrected. But Calcutta Gazette notification, Calcutta Gazette notification.
I'm not concerned
No,
at
no,
all.
my name.
Cut short the entire matter.
One minute.
Just 1 minute, I will take. To cut short the entire matter, Lordship, kindly take the trouble to consider page 42. As per this government notification, Lordship, there is a provision for changing the title or
Correction is something, changing is something. This
Lordship,
is not correction.
Absolutely, Lordship. Lordship, kindly consider. Thereafter, kindly consider prayer page 14. Now my learned friends client wants to change the name of his father, who is
Not only my name, my father's name also.
father's name. That's why.
Because reason is this, she wants to
Entire identity
she,
changes.
she wants to take the avail of the scheduled tribe.
And
There must be some intention. Otherwise,
her father is no more.
No, my father, my
No more. Page 54.
no, no.
Page 54. Father is no more.
and you go and change the father's name.
Father died in 2022.
To what extent y'all go?
No, my name has already.
He got the birth certificate in 2024.
Yes.
22 and 24.
24, but I made an application for correction. My name has been corrected.
Your father, as long as he was alive, he did not think of changing his name. After he dies, you go for changing your father's name.
Because
What
when
is
I
this?
got the registration certificate, when I got the registration certificate, kindly see the Calcutta Gazette notification. Kindly see the Calcutta Gazette notification. Kindly see page 44.
I cannot understand your submission. When you were born, your father was present. As long as he was alive, he did not change his name. After his death, you make an application for changing your father's name.
My father's name was at the Metropolis Singh, Arya Sinha.
And he, as long he was alive, he did not think of changing it.
No, his pension
No,
payment
no,
order.
please
But
stop.
kindly see, his pension payment order. But kindly see his pension payment order. That was also written as a Sinha. But my name has already been corrected. But I did not get the certificate.
The petitioner seeks for a direction upon the respondent authorities to change her surname from Sinha to Singh and also change her father's name from Montu Sinha to Montulal Singh. Stop. The admit card issued by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education on 31st July 1998 records the name of the candidate as Moumita Sinha, daughter of Montu Sinha. Banangulo jena bhul na hoy. And the date of birth as 18th December 1980. Stop. The petitioner obtained a birth certificate in the year on 2nd August 2024 by recording her name as Moumita Singh and the name of her father Montulal Singh. Stop. The petitioner has annexed the death certificate of one Montulal Singh, which was issued on 24th of December 2022. Stop. Next. The petitioner relies on the Gazette notification না এটা নয়, এখানে
Page
কিছু নেই,
42
next. Page 42. Wherein an advertisement was published. No, yes, advertisement was published, not advertisement, wherein it was declared that Moumita Sinha, daughter of Montulal Singh, have changed surname from Sinha to Singh with a affidavit sworn before the learned judicial magistrate, first class. And Moumita Sinha is the same and one identical person. Stop. Next. On a perusal of the records, it appears that the petitioner has gone to the extent of changing the name of her father after he expired on 24th December 2022. Stop. As long as her father was alive, she never cared. Now, neither his father nor the petitioner thought of changing the name from Montu Sinha to Montulal Singh. Stop. The father of a child is the best person to know the surname of the newborn. Stop. The father of the petitioner admitted her in a school by the name Moumita Sinha and disclosing his name as Montu Sinha. Stop. The board issued the admit card disclosing the aforesaid names. Stop. The petitioner appeared in the Madhyamik examination in the year 1998, and thereafter she perused higher education by the name Moumita Sinha. All on a sudden, she applied for changing her name from Moumita Sinha to Moumita Singh, and also changing the name of her father from Montu Sinha to Montulal Singh. Stop. Next. They said application for change was made in the year 2024. Stop. Paragraph. The court. What is this you are relying upon?
This is the gazette notification,
Yes.
and if you have to kindly take the trouble. Clause 2, first page. Lordship.
Yes. Who can be applicants?
Who can apply
Yes.
for the purposes? No son or daughter can apply for change of the name of his father.
Where is it mentioned?
No,
Oh, all right. It is not covered over here.
not covered here.
I see.
That's it.
Who are you representing?
Respondent number 2, Saraswati Press.
All right. Learned advocate representing Saraswati Press, the respondent number 2, relies on the Kolkata Gazette notification. Kolkata Gazette within bracket extraordinary notification dated 17th May 2023, published on 18th May 2023, which clearly lays down the persons who can be applicants for being able applicants for requesting change of name, comma, surname, including deletion of surname, comma, reversion to maiden name on divorce/separation/death of the husband, comma, religion, and gender. Stop. A child cannot apply for changing the name of his or her father as per the said notification. Stuff next. In view of the above, the prayer made by the petitioner seeking changing her name and also her father's name cannot be allowed. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Services taken. আচ্ছা ওই কোর্টের দরজাটা কি বন্ধ থাকে?
May it please issue, Lordship. Run for the petition.
Yes, 14.
Yes.
14 may be taken with 70.
77 file has been brought out.
Yes, yes.
Are you aware?
77 টা কি মামলা স্যার?
আর একটা কোনটা? আর একটা বলেছিল এইটার সাথে নয়, দুটো মামলা বলেছিল। কোনটা? Yes,
If I could place my case thereafter.
yes,
Madam
yes.
Senior,
No,
Madam.
no, it's your case.
Yes. So my lord, what happens here, my lord, the petitioners before your lordship, my lord, are the candidates who have been, my lord, taken into the recruitment by the order of this honorable court in 2022 and they joined in 2023. So my lord, they were the examinees, my lord, of SLST 1 of 2016. But my lord, their names were, let me put it this way, my lord, not put in this merit list candidate and subsequently emerged to be successful by the order of this honorable court. It was held that the decision of the commission was not right in excluding these persons out of the zone. So my lord, they got employment in 2023 finally. They joined. So my lord, in the thereafter, my lord, this entire, my lord, fiasco, my lord, has done. And after this, my lord, when we once again, my lord, applied for the SLST 2 in this examination, my lord, we mentioned the entire things, my lord, that we joined and the other things as well. In this meantime, my lord, thereafter, my lord, the interview list preliminary has been published. There, my lord, we have found that our names, my lord, only in the experience column, it is only 4 or 6. That means one working experience for 3 years, 2 years have been given. Not, my lord, the entire working experience. My case, which I made out before the authority, that I represented, my lord. I said that this is not my fault for which I was not there in the employment. It is the fault of the authority which is established by the court. Since it is the fault of the authority, then I should not suffer for this. I will be placing before your lordship the order of this honorable court's order and the order of the honorable division benches as well, where, my lord, it is specifically stated with the incumbents of this particular recruitment process that the incumbent who joined at the my lord, fault of the commission, they would not be deprived of any benefit, even of the increment. That the honorable division bench has already held in other matters, but that is not with respect to recruitment. So here, my lord, my prayer before your lordship would be that I made representation. I said that I was not given with the 5 years of service because of the fault that is caused by your part, but because of that fault, my lord, lordship.
Yes, I have followed.
My lord, I am prejudiced in 3 ways.
All right.
One, yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. One, I was prejudiced in 3 ways. One, I was not given employment in the first place. 2, I was illegally taken out of the employment. 3, my lord, once again, right now I'm facing this. For this, my lord, I have come before this honorable court, and I will be relying upon only, my lord, similar situation. This honorable court has passed an order so that the commission takes into account our plight and, my lord, considers our case. That I'll be placing your lordship only. And before that, if I just could, I'm permitted, sir. Supreme Court Act judgment. My lord, one paragraph, my lord, or the honorable Supreme Court's judgment, which, my lord, cancels the 26,000 candidates. One paragraph.
Is it annexed?
No, my lord. The judgment. My lord, paragraph number 7, if I can request your lordship to see once. My lord, that relevant part, the relevant line, if I can place your lordship to. My lord, Lordship is seeing page number 8.
Yes.
At the bottom, my lord, last but 3 line from the bottom. My lord, the sentence starts in the middle. It starts that the innocent. Has my lord got that? The innocent should not suffer for the actions of the wrongdoers. This is the observation of the Honorable Supreme Court, not submission, my lord. The innocent should not suffer for the actions of the wrongdoers. By segregating the guilty, the selection process for the untainted candidates can proceed to its logical conclusion. This aligns with the principle of equality of opportunity under Article 16(1) of the Constitution of India, as well as the fundamental requirement of Article 14 of the Constitution, which mandates a fair, equitable, and reasonable process. Care must be taken to ensure that the innocent are not unfairly penalized alongside the wrongdoers by cancelling the entire process. To treat the innocent and the wrongdoers equally would violate Article 14 of the Constitution, as it would involve treating unequals equally. The innocent should not be punished for faults they did not commit. Finally, while the decision of the recruitment body is subject to the judicial control, the body must retain a measure of the discretion. So, this was the observation which led to the direction at paragraph number 47 that your lordship has already seen number of times, where it has been stated that incumbent who are there in the service, they should be taken into consideration, and the other things, paragraph number 47. This is the one, I was just saying that our rights were also recognized by the Honorable Supreme Court by saying that the untainted or innocent should not be penalized, one. And second, my lord, the order of this the Honorable Division Bench of this Honorable Court, my lord. Sir, which is, I'll not trouble your lordship, my lord, by the entire, my lord, which is, my lord, which has been already taken into consideration by this Honorable Court, my lord, in a similar recruitment process examination. In this.
What is this?
My lord,
Shaktipada Pradhan, what are you relying upon?
Yes.
Which portion?
I take your lordship. Oh. My lord, sir, একবার কপি দিতে না, আমার একটাই কপি ছিল, এখনই আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। My lord, page number 7, my lord, internal page number 7. It says that in the present case, the appellant joined 30th January, if I could place, my lord, second paragraph. Could join only after 30th January 2025 and prior to the first date of July. He was able to complete about 5 months of service, as such deficiency towards grant of increment benefit is about 1 month. Had he been allowed to join on the basis of his first recommendation, he would have completed 6 months of service prior to July 2025. The appellant did not urge any issue of malafide, but delay that had occurred is not attributable to him, and he cannot be made to suffer for the laches on the part of the respondent. Such delay is also neither insurmountable nor inordinate. Equity regards as done which should have been done. In such the circumstances, balancing the equities among the parties, we are of the opinion that the incremental benefit cannot be scuttled, and the deficiency in the service towards the grant of incremental benefit of about 1 month, and Hawkard needs to condone for the purpose of granting incremental benefit only. So this is all I was just relying upon, because the situation where, my lord, which is beyond the control of the incumbent, my lord, they should not be penalized for this. And my lord, the same matter, my lord, has been disposed of by this Honorable Court, where, my lord, this Honorable Court has been pleased to direct the Commission, my lord, to take into consideration of the cases and dispose of the representations. Now I just request, my lord, my land senior. Grateful, my lord.
This is item 14.
Yes.
Right? You are in 77 and you say you have got same prayer.
I only submit one thing, note that I made a representation for the additional marks for the teaching experience. Now, that is at page 640.
How many years were you in service?
many years?
2 years.
Actual service,
Yes, I would say 2 years.
2, and you have been allotted 4 marks.
And kindly see the date of publication of the panel, 12/3/2018. And your losses will not, found that your losses that delivered a judgment that is at page 681.
Volume 5.
Volume 5. Millard, now the listing, Millard, which has been done, that if there are more papers, this particular thing has to be divided.
Yes, this is the order that has been placed right now, Priyanka Shaw.
Yes. Priyanka.
So more or less same prayers. Yes.
But the notional promotion from it can be given by notional appointment, but the notional
Yes.
that is simple point. And I will play upon one judgment. They have been taken the account, but not like what the people make there if there kindly come to the paragraph
30?
33.
Yes.
Online. Ritu Garg and other. I think paragraph 30.
Many more than 1 copies have come. Eta ফেরত দিয়ে দিন। ফেরত দিয়ে দিন।
Finally,
Paragraph 33.
finally, the proposition of law laid down in Union of India versus in perspective that long-term national promotions will post with retrospective effect cannot mean gaining experience in that. Because to gain experience, one has to work. National promotions are given to take care of some industry, but a person co-promoted cannot gain experience from the date of national promotion. It has to be from the date of the actual promotion. Therefore, we are also only concerned about the experience. In thereafter, in the paragraph 34, the same view has been reiterated of the court of the recent origin of the order of therefore, this is the only proposition of law. So therefore, he take the experience and our 2 marks for one. For
1 year.
One. Each year. So only the year that the complete year is there the
2 marks you are allotting, otherwise no.
otherwise no.
All right. Please come. দুটো separate order হবে।
That judgment is cited. That paragraph 30. There the Supreme Court has given the notional increment, but not the notional.
The petitioners.
And the only one thing that Priyanka Shah only a lordship was disposed of. That time the interview process did not start. No?
The petitioners participated in the first SLST, 2016. Stuff. Initially, they were found to be unsuccessful. But thereafter, by orders passed by this court, the petitioners were impaneled and appointment letter was issued in their favor in the year 2023, 22,
22 and 3.
22
So far as 2023.
/23. 22/23.
Yes.
Stop. They participate now. Their service stood terminated by virtue of the judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd April. Oh, same জিনিস বৈশাখী ঠিক আছে date, case number and the do one thing এইটা নিয়ে নিন এটাতে এসসিসি রিপোর্টিংটা আছে তাহলে শুধু পার্টির নাম আর রিপোর্টিংটা দিলেই হয়ে যাবে ঠিক আছে কি বললাম there's the order passed by such and such stuff. However, as their names did not feature in the list of tainted candidates, comma, they participated in the fresh recruitment process conducted by the commission. Stuff. As per the recruitment rules, comma 2025, relying on which the fresh selection process is being conducted, has a provision for allotment of marks on account of prior teaching experience. Stuff. Maximum marks for prior teaching experience that can be allotted is 10, comma, 2 marks for each year. Stuff. Paragraph. Submission of the petitioners is that as the delay in issuing appointment letters in their favor, letter hobe, es hobe na, in their favor in respect of the first SLST, comma 2016 was no way attributable to them, comma, accordingly, they ought to be given the benefit of the prior teaching experience for the period on which the first panel of selected candidates was published and appointment letters issued to them. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that it is only for the delay in issuance of the appointment letter by the authority that the petitioners entered into service at a belated point of time. Stop. The petitioners lost their job and also lost the tenure of service for the fault on the part of the authorities. Stop. Prayer has been, na tar age, reliance has been placed on the decision relied upon by the Honorable Supreme Court in Boishaki Bhattacharya within bracket Chatterjee within bracket Supra, wherein the court took note of the judgment passed by the court in the matter of Sachin Kumar versus Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board within bracket D SSS B, reported in (2021) 4 SCC 631. Wherein the court laid down that the innocent should not suffer for the actions of the wrongdoers. Stop. The same aligns with the principle of equality of opportunity under Article 16 within bracket 1 of the Constitution, as well as the fundamental requirement of Article 14 of the Constitution, comma, which mandates a fair, comma, equitable and reasonable process. Stop. care must be taken to ensure that the innocent are not unfairly penalized alongside the wrongdoers by cancelling the entire process. Stop. Reliance has also been placed on the order dated 8th August 2025, passed by the Honorable Division Bench of this court in Mat 1247, please take down, of 2025, parties num, wherein the court held that a party cannot be made to suffer for the laches on the part of the respondents. Stop. Reliance has also been placed on the order dated 6th November 2025, passed by this bench in WPA 24701 of 25, take down please, wherein in respect of a similarly situated candidate, the court directed the commission to consider the prayer of the petitioner for relaxation of the period of teaching for calculating the marks that can be awarded to the candidate on account of prior teaching experience. Paragraph prayer has been made to direct the commission to allot marks, to allot full marks in their favor on account of prior teaching experience. Paragraph. The commission opposes the submissions and the prayers made by the petitioners. Stop. It has been submitted that as the petitioners did not perform their duties, accordingly, the marks on account of prior teaching experience, accordingly, full marks, cannot be allotted in their favor. Stop. Marks on account of prior teaching experience will be allotted upon considering the actual period that they rendered service. Stop. In support of such submission, reliance has been placed on the judgment delivered by the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of Ritu Garg and others, reported in, wherein the court considered and reiterated the proposition of law laid down in Union of India versus M. Bhaskar, reported in 1996, 4 SCC 416, wherein the court held that to gain experience, one has to work. Notional promotions are given to take care of some injustice, but a person so promoted cannot gain experience from the date of notional promotion. Semicolon, it has to be from the date of actual promotion. Prayer has been made to dismiss the writ petition. আর একটা লাইন, প্রেয়ারের আগে একটা লাইন আসবে। As regards the direction passed in the matter of Priyanka Shaw within bracket Supra, it has been submitted that the said direction was passed when the result of the written test was not declared and the interview list was not published. Has the list been published?
Yes, ma'am.
Presently,
Interview list is published, my lord, and it is published only in 15th of November.
presently, the result has been declared and the interview list has also been published.
Preliminary
Prayer.
interview list.
I've heard the submission made on behalf of both the parties and have perused the materials placed before this court. Stop. It is an admitted fact that the petitioners were issued appointment letter only in the year 2022-2023. Stop. The delay in issuing the appointment letter in their favor may not have been attributable to the petitioners. Stop. There may have been errors on the part of the respondents in not incorporating the name of the petitioners in the list of selected candidates when the same was published initially in the year 2018. Stop. The name of the petitioners stood enlisted only after interference by this court. Stop. It is settled law that a party ought not to suffer for any delay or latches on the part of the authorities. Step 2. To remedy the injustice caused to a litigant, comma, the provision for providing notional benefit in service is practiced. Stop. In the instant case, stop, comma, the service of the petitioners stood nullified by the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, and the actual period which the petitioners were in service was only from the year 2022/23. Stop. The petitioners pray for allotment of marks on account of prior teaching experience, which they actually did not have. Stop. Without teaching or imparting education to a student, a candidate can never gain experience. Stop. To direct the commission to award marks on account of prior teaching experience would amount to granting some benefit to a litigant which they are not entitled to. Stop. Next. The had the previous service of the petitioners been continued and not nullified by orders of court, comma, then the petitioners could have claimed for notional benefits, including increments. Stop. The same does not mean that the petitioners gain practical experience for which marks are awarded by the commission. Stop. Paragraph. The Honorable Supreme Court in M. Bhaskar within bracket Supra clearly laid down that for gaining experience one has to work. Stop. The petitioners did not work for the period for which they pray for allotment of marks. Stop. In Sachin Kumar within bracket Supra, the court reiterated that the innocent should not suffer for the action of the wrongdoers. This is an absolute settled proposition of law. Stop. Despite noticing the said proposition, the Honorable Supreme Court went on to set aside the entire selection process as the errors and the corruption was to such extent that the selection process could not be saved. Stop. The court permitted the candidates whose name does not appear in the list of tainted candidates to appear in the examination. Stop. The petitioners availed the said relief granted by the Honorable Supreme Court and have appeared in the examination. Stop. Their prayer for allotment of full marks on account of prior teaching experience cannot be accepted in the facts and circumstances of the instant case. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Service is taken on record. Yes. 77 also same.
For the epidemic service and
Yes, service is on record.
a deficit code.
All right, receipt 77, receipt showing deficit code, payment of deficit court fees is also taken on record.
77.
15.
Well, 59 for the case. Lord, your Lordship kindly turn to page 19, 19. Lord,
Yes.
DI has granted permission to enhance his qualifications, my Lord, in the relevant teaching subject from the Vidyasagara University. DI has granted permission. My Lord, after the grant of permission, my Lord, the petitioners took admission, but in between, in view of the government circular to obtain, my Lord, the B.Ed degree through ODL mode, he could not continue. Ultimately, he enhanced his qualification in 2017. My Lord, your Lordship will turn to page 37. DI has rejected on that ground that why, my Lord, the permission was granted, my Lord, for the session 2012-2015, and my Lord, completed the course 2017. This is the only ground for rejection of that I have categorically stated, my Lord, the managing committee also adopted resolution page 26, that because of the situations, my Lord, your Lordship will find.
Which situation?
Your Lordship can see page 26, page 3, page 26 at the bottom. Pair of Sri Vasudev Das, assistant teacher in mathematics, is placed. The House is informed that the Vasudev Das has been granted prior permission by the DI Howrah, such and such to pursue MSc Mathematics from Baruan University in the session 2012-2014. House is also informed that in compliance with the memo dated such and such, Sri Vasudev Das, assistant teacher, opted to enroll for B.Ed course in ODL mode from Netaji Subhash Open University, Kolkata, as he was still non-B.Ed. As such, he could not enroll MSc during the permitted period 2012-2014. He completed the B.Ed course 2015 successfully. Now he has completed B.Ed course and he seeks to enroll MSc course. Thereafter, this has been, that is the delay. Now the, my lord,
Listen, this is for the 2015.
15, my lord, the MC after completion of ODL, B.Ed course through ODL mode, MC granted permission that as per the permission granted by the DI, you can complete the MSc course. Thereafter, my lord, I continue, my lord, the MSc course and my lord, completed it in 2017. This is the only ground taken by the DI that why the delay has been occurred for completion of the B.Ed course. Now the last occasion, my learned friend, my lord, submitted a report. I perused the report that now DI has taken another point. School Service Commission Amendment Act 2017. You are not entitled. Your lordship, kindly see the report. That amendment is clearly, my lord, in respect of appointment, new appointment by the School Service Commission. This is not applicable to old appointment. You will also kindly see, my lord, the report and 2016 amendment, perhaps, my lord, it has been enclosed. না ওর মধ্যে আছে কি না Hello, so kindly see the amendment.
2016 amendment?
Yes, yes.
Yes, let me see. Yes, it is here.
You'll also kindly see before my lord, considering my lord, the amendment, you'll also kindly see the 2005 Act.
5 Act is also here.
Yes, sir.
It is here.
My lord, kindly see section 14.
Yes.
Section 14, subsection 1, this is for undergraduate, not applicable to me. Subsection 2, this is for graduate, postgraduate teacher. This is not applicable to me. Subsection 3, who are teachers who are enjoying honor scale of pay, enhance his qualification, then my lord, will be entitled for the scale of
One
pay.
is for undergraduate.
Undergraduate.
Right.
Two for-
You were a graduate.
I am honors graduate.
Honors graduate. So 3 will be applicable.
He will be applicable.
Every teacher of
You'll
a
also
school
kindly see
is
the
equal to
amendment.
the honors graduate or postgraduate. We entitled drop pay of postgraduate upon acquiring in the manner as may be specified.
Yes. 3. Now you'll also kindly see the amendment. Amendment section 3 in section 14 has been amended. This has been, amendment has been inserted. 1, not required. 2, 3.
Every teacher, yes.
3 in subsection 2 has been amended, not subsection 3.
For subsection 3, it's 4.
Yes, section 4, subsection 3. You'll also kindly see, consider my subsection 4. 3, every teacher appointed for classes 11 and 12. I am not, my lord, I was not appointed for 11 and 12. Shall be entitled
You are
to
for?
honors teacher in normal section. This is
Normal
happening.
section means class 10 till
This
class
is
10.
happening. Now the examination is being done 3 categories: upper primary, secondary, and higher secondary. Upper primary and secondary, School Service Commission recommended postgraduate teacher, and 11, 12, my lord, the honors. This amendment is applicable to those teachers who are being appointed. Very clear language, you also can see. Every teacher appointed after the amendment who have been appointed for class 11 and 12 shall be entitled to drop pay, mean for postgraduate qualification, and shall not be entitled to claim any additional increment or higher scale of pay or for any qualification other than the minimum qualification.
You are teaching till class 10?
Class 10?
Not 11, 12.
Not 11, 12.
All right.
And my lord, if it is applicable, then I will not be entitled for honor scale also. But I am enjoying an honor scale of pay. This amendment has no manner of application to the old teacher prior to the Amendment Act. This is applicable only to those teachers who are being appointed. Now the 3 categories being for the recruitment process conducted by the School Service Commission. not my lord, the other teachers. This is clearly my lord, and also my lord, though my lord, this judgment is not, there is no applicable to me, but the coordinate bench has categorically stated that the amendment act my lord has no retrospective effect. My lord,
No, the amendment itself says it deems to have come into effect with effect from 14th
That's
September
true.
2016.
16 applicable to those teachers who are being appointed in 3 categories. My lord, the pass, my lord, the upper primary, normal section, and 11-12. That to act, my lord, there was no category. There was category only pass graduate and honors or PG category. That is why I was recommended, my lord, the honors or PG category. That amendment, my lord, comes to my lord, the letter for the new appointee. Clearly, my lord, your lordship kindly see. And section 2 has been amended. Section 3 amended only for the teachers for 11 and 12. And I am still enjoying my lord, honor skill
Tell
of
me, how are you making the amendment applicable for the petitioner? He is not teaching in classes 11 and 12. Is he teaching in 11, 12?
No, my lord. As per report, my lord,
Yes, as per report.
he is not appointed for class 11 and 12, my lord.
He is not appointed. So how can the appointment, the amendment which is meant for 11 and 12 be made applicable for him? You have rejected, you are for the DI? Right. You have rejected the prayer of the petitioner for grant of higher scale of pay, relying on the Amendment Act. Amendment is not applicable to him. So how can you rely on that?
This point, my lord, I don't have any instruction.
What does the law say? It is not always instruction. Factual instruction will come from your client. Legal point you have to develop. What is that point? The petitioner has read out the managing committee resolution, right? Initially, permission was granted. Thereafter, the petitioner took admission in the B.Ed course, for which he could not, he or she, yes, he could not continue with MSc. After completion of B.Ed, he got admission, relying on the previous permission. Whether this can be done or not, this is the issue. Have you followed? Come prepared? When? The prayer of the petitioner for grant of higher scale of pay stood rejected by the District Inspector of Schools, relying on the West Bengal Schools, bracket open, control of expenditure, bracket close, again bracket open, amendment, bracket close, Act 2016. ঠিক আছে? On a perusal of the said amendment, it appears that the same cannot be made applicable in respect of the petitioner, as he is not a teacher appointed for classes 11 and 12. Stop. The petitioner possesses a honors graduate degree. Stop. He was given permission to pursue master's course. Stop. In the meantime, notification was published by the government for acquiring B.Ed degree. Stop. The petitioner got himself admitted for the B.Ed course. And after completion of the B.Ed course, he took admission in the master's course. Stop. The authority rejected the prayer for higher scale of pay by holding that the petitioner did not complete the master's course
The permission is.
in terms of the prior permission issued. Stop. How the Amendment Act can be made applicable in case of the petitioner. Now, how এর আগে লিখুন, learned advocate for the state respondent seeks ready to come prepared as to how the amendment can be made applicable in respect of the petitioner. ঠিক আছে, stop. On such prayer, release the matter for further consideration on 16th of December. If you want to take the help of some senior, you please get hold. But then he is unwell. Will he be coming in December? No. In that case, place it in. Let it remain in December, or should I place it in January? Place it in January.
Let it be on 16 December. If the Mr. Mr. is not come, then I see.
Will he come?
He has not joined because the operation has been completed.
All right.
Asking some rest for few days.
All right. ঠিক আছে, বাবু। আচ্ছা।
My lord, item number 16, if you will not remember, because of the pendency of the division bench, your lordship adjourned the matter initially, my lord. The matter relates to, my lord, I lost my job in 2016 untainted. Upper primary, I was recommended and my counseling was done, but I was not recommended. Similar orders from similar orders, commission preferred an appeal. Your lordship adjourned it because the appeal was in a position to be taken up.
Now,
I tell your lordship, the order is being passed. Going on, the order is being passed, my lord. Kindly keep the matter next week. Hearing has been completed. Order is now being taken. Right.
It has been brought to the notice of the court that the issue is pending consideration before the Honorable Division Bench. Stop. Prayer has been made to adjourn the matter for the time being. Stop. In view of such submission, release the matter for further consideration on 9th December.
DPO.
Okay. 17? Same order? All right, same. Same order.
Till 19, my lord.
18 is also same one.
19, I'm for the petitioner, same.
19, my lord. I'm appearing for the statement.
Please record your appearances. AGM, আজকের লিস্টে Twenty. 20.
Yes, I am appearing.
Yes.
Yesterday, my lord was took up the matter. For last occasion, my lord has been pleased to direct us for twofold direction. So this is change with one, not to use a supplementary affidavit, and other not to implement the one, the
Kajol Das.
Kajol Das as a party. স্কুলে আমি পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি তাহলে আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি হ্যাঁ দিয়ে দেবো earlier affidavit service and the supplementary affidavit I'm filing. Lordship's direction was there, yesterday my lord says that to provide that the details of the Kajol Das so that we can implement him as a party and we can serve a copy of the.
Has it been given?
No.
Why are you not disclosing the details of Kajol so that she can be added?
Well, my lord, I shall discuss.
Yesterday this direction was given.
My lord, I am not there because unless my lord kindly, my lord, fix it. I shall given the details of Kajol. My lord.
When?
My lord, Monday, my lord, kindly fix it. My lord, within 2 days, I shall given the details of Kajol.
You will give the details of Kajol by today.
Obliged, my lord.
Please come.
But apart from that, if your lordship go to the supplementary affidavit today, I am filing.
He doesn't have a copy.
But he has not served a copy.
No, I have directly sent to the school authority.
The council is there. You should have handed it over.
I shall give.
Acha. And the
My lord, case is that he has not uploaded.
do not open your mouth. Supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner in court is taken on record. Stop. Let copy of the same be served upon all the parties. Stop. Learned advocate representing the school is directed to pass on the details of Kajol Das so that she may be impleaded as party in the instant writ petition. Pass on the details in the course of this day.
A supplementary affidavit copy has not been given.
ঠিক আছে? Release the matter for further consideration on 15th of December. Copy of the writ petition and the supplementary affidavit shall be served upon the added respondent. Act affidavit of service, take it on record. Yes, next. Did you file your wakalatnama?
Yes, my lord. Today I have filed my.
Today?
Yes.
I'm good.
Oh, what item এটা? Item number 10 is a passover matter. Is the petitioner there? ছিল তাহলে পরে ডাকুন Now the monthly list matters will be taken up.
On item number 21. Oh.
Question for the petitioner and Mr. Chandan Datta, he is on virtual mode, my lords.
Also, I'm for the petitioner in this matter with a junior is present before your lordship.
Mr. Maiti, please wait in case I finish up. I'll come back to the list.
Lordship, petitioner is claiming interest on delayed payment of area amount. Petitioner
Area amount means?
Petitioner was a teacher school under Article 30 school run, Christian missionary school. Petitioner was got appointment. Thereafter, in terms of this honorable court order, petitioner got approval. After approval, petitioner received the area amount.
When?
Petitioner received the area amount 14th February 2020. And petitioner affirmed this petition December 2024. So delay is concerned. I'm placing one Supreme Court judgment.
Do not place judgment. Give me the facts. When did you retire from service?
No, petitioner is in service, lordship. She is working.
Then what are you wanting?
Yes, kindly see, petitioner joined as a clerk, Group C. The school is a Christian minority school. run under Article 30. Accordingly, school was given appointment. That appointment was approved by the
See,
concerned
is this a interest on gratuity matter?
interest on area lordship, not
Today
gratuity.
is not interest on area. This is regarding interest on gratuity. You give in a wrong number. Place the matter in the same position and return the affidavit of service. This is a different matter. This is not a matter regular interest of gratuity. All the matters are same.
Yes, lordship. Item number 670 to 676.
All wrong. You just put a pressure on my court officers. Other matters could have been listed. Do not understand what is the requirement in the list. Call 1163.
আমার এফিডেভিট সার্ভিসটা 676 for them. আমার এফিডেভিট
1163. Nobody is here. 1304. Please come. Item number. Nobody is there. এটা থেকে যাবে। এটা থেকে যাবে, not today. Yes. Interest on gratuity.
Interest on gratuity.
Where is the PPO?
The PPO issued on 17th 2024, my lord.
Gratuity. Bas, ঠিক আছে। Dispose.
ব্রততী দত্ত। হ্যাঁ?
1397. Not today. Go back to the daily list. Twenty-one.
Yes, I don't know what to do.
এই যে দাদা 1304।
Where is Mr. Shah? Call him. Call him. Pass over. 22.
And for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
In last occasion, board was directed to come with detailed report, my lord.
Board. Board was directed. Where is the board? Yes. What is it?
My lord, earlier,
You have a report or something? No report. What is the instruction? The instruction must be there with you. What is your instruction?
We have not received any recommendations from them. But because we have not received any vacancy from the board, my lord. On 20
You blame the board and the blame comes back to you. I will not consider anything. The vacancy statement has to be there.
Vacancy statement, your lordship, DI can provide the vacancy statement because your lordship, once we get the vacancies from the DI, your lordship, thereafter only we don't collect.
Is it a primary education matter?
my lord, it has been.
Oh,
transferred
now
to
it has
secondary
gone to secondary. ঠিক আছে। Who's for the state?
State was present earlier occasion, my lord.
None appears on behalf of the state respondents. Let notice be served upon the learned advocate representing the state, intimating that the matter will appear in the list on 9th of December. Stop. Learned advocate for the state respondents shall produce the vacancy list. Which place?
For Purbo Medinipur.
Of Group C. Under the Purbo Medinipur, under the District Inspector of Schools within brackets Secondary Education Purbo Medinipur. ঠিক আছে? A list of vacancy shall be served upon the learned advocate representing the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education and the West Bengal Regional School Service Commission prior to the adjourned date. Intimate the learned counsel. You know how to find out who's appearing?
Yes, my lord.
Where from will you get the name?
From register.
One line, Lordship.
Inquire from the GP office who has been engaged. Call him. Tell him this is the order and he should be present with the list with advance copy to these two. Followed?
Well, only one thing if it may be included in the order, Lordship, the vacancy regarding compassionate appointment. Because it is compassionate.
Why will this be required?
Because, my lord, I think for compassionate, there is separate.
And maybe the live, whether the name has been incorporated in the live register or not, it has to be seen. Ekdam গোড়ায় লিখে দিন তো matter relates to appointment on compassionate ground. Yes, next. 23.
Point number 125. Central Board of Secondary Education.
1 to 5, you are supposed to bring instruction.
Yes, ma'am.
Please give.
The instruction.
What is it?
They have said that revised result has been approved by the competent authority, the board, and the same has been forwarded to headquarters for updation on DigiLocker. DigiLocker is the
Yes, but then that means there was a mistake in marks.
Yes, there was a.
What is the proper marks? It has not been given. You should have inquired and come back.
Because it has come yesterday, my lord. The time. So if you couldn't contact them, it's my lord. You can come or elaborate.
Not elaborate. What is the extra mark that you have awarded? This is to be seen. Please come, none appears on behalf of the petitioners. Stop. Learned advocate representing the respondent numbers 1 to 5 has produced a written communication dated 24th November 2025 of the grievance section of the Central Board of Secondary Education, mentioning that the revised result of the candidate has been approved by the authority and forwarded to the headquarter. Headquarter means?
Headquarter means, my lord, probably their.
Delhi, not the school.
This is Bhubaneswar, and their headquarter is in Delhi.
So it has been sent to Delhi.
For
And
updation, because they do the updation.
to the headquarter for updation. Stop. From the said communication, comma, the marks, the extra marks awarded to the candidate is not clear. Stop. Next. Let further communication disclosing the extra marks of the candidate be placed before the court. Today is Tuesday. Friday you can do it? Next Tuesday, 2nd of December.
Mr. Sai here now.
Just wait. 24?
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, on last occasion, Lordship, I could not apprise your Lordship with the copy of the representation, though I had the email proof which was annexed. The liberty was given, my lord, and supplementary affidavit has already been served upon them, and the copy has been already handed over, placed before this court. My lord, I am the headmaster. I am the teacher in charge of the school. Now, presently, my problem is, Lordship, I was driven out from the school by the president of the managing committee, who came suddenly to the school and asked me to take one complaint, give a receipt copy. I said it cannot be done in that way. So he started to hit me. And this entire incident was done in front of the all teachers and the students of the school together, which was insulting for me, being the teacher in charge of the school. I lodged a complaint before the police authority.
What is your prayer in this writ petition?
My prayer in this writ petition, my lord, appointment of the ad hoc committee. And the first writ is to conduct an inquiry on the basis of the complaint lodged by the petitioner. And Lordship, I want an administrator to be appointed in the school instead of this president of the managing committee, who is facing a criminal case at the behest of the teacher in charge of the school.
Means you.
I lodged a complaint because when I was driven out from the school, I had to lodge a complaint. Police was apparently inactive on that.
And any counter complaint lodged against you?
My lord, no. My respectful submission, till date, no counter complaint has been lodged against me. My lord, the accused persons has been enlarged on bail. I prefer the police inaction writ petition, which has been disposed of by the Honorable Justice Ghosh, directing the police to complete the investigation with the view that he surrendered before the court and he was enlarged on bail. And to provide me the protection to run the school so that it can be.
Are you attending school?
I am attending the school presently.
Right.
I have been given protection by the Honorable High Court. So far, this writ petition is concerned, my lord, a report may be placed before your lordship regarding the action taken against this person, because according to me,
By the District Inspector of Schools.
yes, my lord.
All
This
right. Where
person-
is your complaint?
My lord, complaint is in supplementary affidavit, my lord. Lordship, kindly come to the complaint. It's page number 4.
Has copy been served upon all the parties?
Yes, my lord.
All right. Which page?
My lord, page 4, 5, and 6 of the supplementary affidavit, my lord. This is the complaint. I sent it to the district inspector of the school, South 24 Pargana, by way of a email.
All right. The state, 1 minute. State.
I was trying to take a preliminary objection. Can a teacher in charge pray for removal of the president and appointment by
A teacher can pray for anything. It is for the DI to consider and reject if the prayer is not maintainable. You have received a complaint or a request on 21st of September. Say yes, no, very good. Whatever you feel like, you say.
Let it be also add in your lordship, ask the order to the DI or
Providing opportunity of hearing to.
This my lord, our complaint is also there. My lord, we have also that.
Please come.
Because my lord, one.
The petitioner,
Between the teacher in charge and
the petitioner was serving as the teacher in charge of the managing committee of the school. Stuff. There was a physical brawl, BRAWL, between the petitioner and the president of the managing committee. The same resulted in lodging of an FIR by the petitioner before the police, and a criminal proceeding is pending. Stop. The president of the managing committee has been enlarged on bail. Stop. The petitioner has made a complaint before the District Inspector of Schools within bracket Secondary Education South 24 Parganas, praying for taking action against the president of the managing committee. Stop. Prayer has also been made for appointment of administrator. Stop. Next. Prayer of the petitioner has been opposed by the learned advocate representing the school. Stop. It has been submitted that a counter complaint by the president of the managing committee lodged against the petitioner,
that is defalcation of the money.
alleging defalcation of fund, is pending consideration before the District Inspector of Schools. Stop. Learned advocate representing the District Inspector of Schools submits that the teacher in charge does not have the legal right to pray for removal of the president of the managing committee. Paragraph. Be that as it may, it appears that a representation by the petitioner is pending consideration before the District Inspector of Schools. Stop. Whether the prayer made by the petitioner can be accepted by the concerned authority is required to be decided. Stop. The District Inspector of Schools within brackets Secondary Education South 24 Parganas, is directed to consider the petitioner's prayer in accordance with law after giving reasonable opportunity of hearing to all the necessary parties and by passing a reasoned order at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Stop. The you were submitting something? State.
I was trying to submit.
Yes.
But I cannot.
What?
This representation dated
21st of September 25. রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন যেখানে বলেছেন এখন ডেটটা দিয়ে দিন 21st September 20.
Our complaint also dated 23rd September 2020.
I will not record that. It is recorded that you have lodged a complaint. Your complaint is not on record. The DI is not aware of what the complaint. It doesn't matter. You will place it over there. আচ্ছা আর একটা জিনিস আচ্ছা আর একটা জিনিস the district inspector of schools shall ensure that the day-to-day activities of the school is not hampered in any manner whatsoever by any of the parties. Stop. The